Hi friends, welcome to Sada Learning Hub. You are with me, Sada Shorao. In this video, I'm going to discuss about Packer provisioners. Packer template contains provisioner section. What exactly the provisioners are going to do in the Packer, right? Now, previous video I discussed about builder section. Definitely, it's required to know before seeing this video. If first see the builders section video and come to the provisioners. If you know the builders, no need to worry, directly move into the provisioners. Before moving to the video, please click on subscribe button and click on the bell button to get the latest updates. Don't forget to subscribe my channel, Sada Learning Hub. Yes. Now, what exactly the provisioners is? What provisioners are going to do in the Packer template? Now, if you see, if you want to create a mission image, here there are the different sections are very important, right? Three different sections are there in Packer template. Provisioners is the section one of the section in the Packer template, one of the section in the Packer template. Now I'm going to discuss about what exactly the provisioners, what provisioners is going to do. I'm going to discuss this now. See, if you see in my previous video, from step 1 to step 7, builders is going to do. And coming to, if you want to do any installations, if you want to do any software installation, pro, sorry, first one, step 1 to step 7, builders are going to do. And step 8, provisioners are going to do. If you want to install any software into that particular mission, you can do by using provisioners. You can do by using provisioners. Already I said Packer is nothing but a Packer template is nothing but JSON file. Now it consisting of variables, and it consisting of builders, and next it consisting of provisioners, right? It consisting of provisioners. It may be spelling mistakes are there. I will correct it. Right? These are the provisioners. Now, in the builder section, 1 to 7 steps comes into the picture. And coming to the provisioner section, if you want to install any software, now those are comes under provisioner section. I will show you what exactly we'll do for the provisioners. Now for that, I'm going to open my here. Now I'm going to create one more new file. Now I'm going to save this file. Where I am going to save is correct path only, in. Now provisioners, what exactly the spelling of provisioners? PRO. Now I need to spell here. For provisioner also we can go with the docs, very easy to do. Here docs is, now click on the provisioners. Now see here provisioners, right? Now I'm clicking on the save. Now see, this is my common thing. I discussed the builders. I don't want to discuss again and again. And coming to the provisioners, I'm going what exactly the provisioners are going to do. Now see, provisioners are going to do install the softwares into your machine. Now, whatever the softwares you required, now provisioners are going to do install required softwares. Now see, I'm going to use the shell. How to do that one? For example, if you don't know anything, just go to the documentation. It is very easy. Now see, this is my provisioner section. If you see inside the provisioner section, if you are using the Ansible, you can use the Ansible. If you are using the chef, you can use the chef. Or if you are using the file, you can use the file. Or if you are using the shell, you can use the shell. Now I want to use the shell script. If you see the basic example at here for the provisioners, just copy and paste into your file. Now see, this is my provisioners. Inside my provisioners, what I want to do is, after creating my mission, okay, after creating my mission, I want to install Nginx into my mission. I want to install Nginx into my mission. Now, if you want to install Nginx into your mission, into that particular mission, what are the steps? First, we need to update all the packages into that in that particular mission. After that, you need to install Nginx into your mission. These are the two steps you can install Nginx into your mission. If you want to do install any other software, just you can give the command set here by separating comma. That's it. Now I will explain builders also once again. Here type, that's fine. Coming to the access key and secret key. Now already I discussed in the previous video. Just go to services and click on IAM. Once you click on the IAM, it will open for you here. Already I created here one user. Now see, this is my user. See guys, after using this, definitely you need to do inactive. If you see inactive or delete, whatever it may be. If you don't want to use, make it as a inactive. If you are not, if you don't not at all use, just delete it. If you are publishing any other public websites, they are going to use your secret keys, access keys. They are going to create missions. In that situation, you will get more amount of bill, right? Already I created here. If you want to create, just click on the add user and give the administration access. If you need that, just go to my previous video and get that one. Now see, this is my access key and secret key. After region, if you want to region code, just Google and search it. You can get the region code at here. After source AMI, just go to inside Amazon here. Now click on EC2 missions, click on launch, click on launch here. You will get all the images. Whatever the image you required, just select that image, select that ID of that particular image. See, this is the ID. Whatever the image you required, copy this ID and paste it at here, right? Now T2 micro is fine and Ubuntu is fine. After that, Packer, AWS, this is what image you want to create. I'm giving the name of that particular image at here. Now finally, after creating the mission, I want to install few of the softwares. If you, whatever the softwares you want to install, you can give it here. For example, if you are using the shell, you can give shell here type. For example, if you are using Ansible, you can give the Ansible at here. If you are using the chef, you can give the chef at here, chef commands related things at here. Now that is comes under provisioners. And one more point guys here, this is going to create a specific mission. If you make it as a global to all, if any account, if you want to give any mission region, for in that case we need to go with the variables. This is not a good way to, this is not good way to create emissions. In the next video I'm going to discuss about the variables. That time I will show you how to create common packer file in for any account, any image, right? This is about provisioners. Finally, What provisioners is going to do? Provisioners is going to do whatever the softwares you require to install into your machine. Those softwares commands we are going to give it in the provisioners, right? Simple. That is about provisioners. Now I'm trying to execute my packer script. See here, same thing. If you don't have any packer software into your machine, just download the packer uh, software. Otherwise you can use the chocolatey package manager to install the packer. There is a two ways. Whatever the way you want, just you can install the packer. After installing the packer, now just I'm going to use packer hyphen hyphen help. Now it will give you whatever the commands are there. Now see, these are all the commands are available for the packer. Now packer. First I'm going to validate. Sorry, I'm going to validate my file, provisioners file. Now I'm validating my provisioners file. See, validation successfully done. After validation, packer inspect. I am going to inspect. If you see, um, inspecting the file. If you are inspecting the file, what it is giving the options here? What are the options here giving? Now see, uh, inspecting the file. In my file I don't have any variables. Coming to the builders, I have one builder that is called Amazon EBS. Coming to the provisioners, I have one provisioners called shell. If you see here, I have one builder and one provisioner. Now that is, it is showing it here. Once it is done, now I'm going to build my packer file. packer packer build build in nginx provisioners. Now I am building my packer file. Now this time I'm not using the build command, debug command. If you want, you can use the debug command. Now this time I'm not using. If you are using the debug command, you need to click on enter, enter, keep on enter. Now see, waiting for the instance. After creating the instance, see, launching the service of AWS instance. After tagging, tags are done. After that, it is creating the adding the tags. After adding the, it is creating the instance ID. Now it is instance ID is creating in AWS. Once it is initiated, next step is going to do. See, instantiation is completed. Now it is connected through SSH. Now see, my softwares are going to install. Now first what I am done is update command. Now everything update is going on at here. See, update, update, update. Once it is update done, see, now after that I'm installing the nginx. Now nginx is installing here. See, these are related to nginx. If you see, these are all related to nginx. These are all related to nginx. These are related to updates. If you see, these are all related to updates. These are all related to nginx. Installing the nginx. See, installation nginx is done. Now after what it is doing, stopping the source instance. Now after that, waiting for response. Once you click on the stop, it is going to take some time, right? It is taking some time. It is going to wait. It's waiting for instance response. See, stopping the instance, waiting for the instance to that is completed. Now creating AMI packer. It's creating the image for us with the name called packer underscore AWS space 156.18.06.130. It is waiting for creating an image. See, after creating the image, see, terminating the source of the AWS instance. After that, clean up the extra values and all those things, deleting the temporary security groups and all. And finally, it's created the image for us. Now we'll see, is it really image is created or not, right? Services, EC2. If you go with the instances, EC2 instances, go with EC2 instance. See, just now it is created. Packer is created. See, packer build. Name is called packer build. Packer build is created. Go to the images. See, just now it is created. Already name is here, right? AMI. See, AWS image 156.180.631.130. Right? Now, this image is created by packer. Finally, packer got created. Whenever you require this particular image, you can create, you can directly launch this image without any installing Nginx server. Already Nginx server is there in this particular image. You no need to install Nginx server image. Just you can launch and whatever the application you want to deploy, directly you can deploy into the Nginx server. Right? See, for example, if you want to launch this one, go to actions. If you want to launch, see, click on launch button. Once you click on launch button, it will ask you all these things. Next, right? Whenever you are launching, it is going to ask all these things, right? Now root is this and click on attacks. Coming to the next. Now I'm going to add HTTP also. Coming to the review and click on launch. I'm using these things only. Launch. Now I'm going to here. See, it's launching. See, I'm not installing anything. Without installing, I'm directly connect with Nginx. Previously, if you see in my manual steps, what I did is after launching the mission, I'm going to connect with that mission by using SSH. After connecting, I'm going to install my Nginx server into my mission, right? Now this time I don't want to install Nginx server. It's not required to install. Why? Because my image contains already Nginx. Already Nginx server is there in my image. No need to install one more time. See, for example, now I am going to connect with my IP address. Right? Now see, you can able to successfully able to connect with Nginx. Right? If you are not whenever you required image with Nginx, directly you can use this image. Finally, Packer is going to create images. Right? In the finally, the conclusion of this video is the provisioners is going to use whatever the softwares you want to install into your images. You can use the provisioners. Builders are going to use to create just images. Provisioners are going to use to install softwares into that image. Right? That's about this video, guys. Thank you, guys. Thank you for watching this video. If you like this video, please click on like button and share with your friends. Don't forget to subscribe my channel, Sada Learning Hub. Thank you for watching.
Thank you so much watching this video. Hope this lesson helpful to you. Keep watching our lessons. Keep writing to us. Do not forget subscribe our channel Sada Learning Hub because we have many sessions that would help you to develop our skills, and I will be back soon. Till then, you take care. Bye bye.